All right, guys. So I remember seeing Wealthy Affiliate back in around 2016, I'm going to say. I remember I had actually already bought into a program. This program was called Build My List. It was by Jimmy Kim. I believe I talked about it in one of my other videos. And I was excited when I bought this product. I bought it on a Friday. I tried it out. By Sunday, I had actually made my first commission. I was pretty hyped. Now, before I actually continued or going harder on that program, I actually went online to see if anybody was having any large-scale success with the program. So I was looking up reviews and stuff like that, and looking up some of the reviews, I was finding a lot of the reviews had low scores. And Build My List was getting trashed. It was so many things that each of these reviews were saying was wrong with it, which wasn't true. Because again, I had just purchased the product and it worked for me. So what I noticed about all these reviews is that everybody in these reviews were pushing Wealthy Affiliate. So I immediately started blowing off these reviews because I'm like, okay, they're just talking down about these products just to promote this product. And I automatically assumed that Wealthy Affiliate was a scam. So fast forward to 2018, and I'm looking at some products and looking at some digital products and things like that that I could promote. And I'm seeing these reviews, and the reviews were actually pretty good, and they were pretty well written. And again, what I noticed about a lot of these reviews is that the people writing these reviews were promoting Wealthy Affiliate. So, out of curiosity, I decided to go ahead and check out Wealthy Affiliate, and to my surprise, it wasn't what I thought at all. So today, I'm going to go ahead and give you my review of Wealthy Affiliate and whether it can help you build a business in 2020. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. All right, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. So, what is Wealthy Affiliate? In a nutshell, Wealthy Affiliate is a platform that teaches you how to build a niche website, attract visitors, and monetize that website. There's way more to it than that. However, stick around because I'm going to show you everything Wealthy Affiliate has to offer. And believe me, it's a lot. So before I actually get started in the program itself, I want to talk about who's behind it. So, the founders of Wealthy Affiliate are Kyle and Carson. They've taken the time to build a very strong community-based program. And believe me when I say this, if you ever need help on this program, you will get it from the founders themselves. And if not the founders, you will definitely get it from their large community. And this really surprised me because sometimes you'll buy a program or a product and that community or Facebook group or wherever they have is dead and you don't get any type of help. So this to me was a big bonus. I remember I was getting messages from one of the founders and I'm like, okay, whatever. These are automated messages. But not really thinking about it, I replied to one of them and I actually got a reply back from both founders. And the reply was relevant to what I had actually responded to. which means they actually took the time to read the response and respond to it, which right off the bat, to me, that's a good sign that they are really invested in their product. All right, so moving on, what do you actually get with Wealthy Affiliate? Wealthy Affiliate is set up into two tiers, their free tier and their paid tier. First, we'll start off with their free tier. Again, the first and biggest thing about this is free access. The free access is free as long as you're a member. And with that, you get the ability to build and publish your first website, which is powered by Site Rubics and WordPress. Basically meaning you're getting one of the best, if not the best, website builder there is out on the internet. You get free access to the first 10 of their training videos and access to 2 of their interactive classes. That will help you get your website up and running. Kyle and Carson have teamed up with a few affiliate networks, so you can check out affiliate offers relevant to your niche straight from Wealthy Affiliate. And again, access to this is free. You get 30 free searches using their advanced research keyword tool, which is what you'll be using to rank those first few blog posts that you create. You'll get access to Wealthy Affiliate's affiliate program, which offers commissions for promoting Wealthy Affiliate, as well as additional affiliate training videos to teach you how to set up as an affiliate. You'll also get a 7-day free trial of the premium access. Now, here's what you get as a paid member. You get advanced features and themes for your WordPress blog, as well as the ability to connect a custom domain name to your website. You'll get access to the Wealthy Affiliate community. Here you can create blog posts and engage with the community and share your blog posts with thousands of other people. And these people are going to be the first ones to actually see your blog posts. You'll also get continued direct access to Kyle and Carson if you ever need any help. You'll get access to advanced training, interactive classes, and weekly live streams. I believe there's over 70 classes, so you've got tons of content and tons of training to teach you how to do what you need to do to be successful on the internet. You also get the ability to teach your own classes and training for the platform and get paid for it, which is a plus. You'll also get advanced affiliate training and higher commissions to go with that training when you promote Wealthy Affiliate. Again, like I mentioned earlier, you can try out this stuff with their 7-day premium trial, and if you like it, you can go ahead and upgrade to the paid tier. Now, what are my pros for this program? Again, it's free to sign up and use. There's tons of training to help you actually succeed. You get direct access to the founders who actually respond back. You have access to a very active and very helpful community. Wealthy Affiliates is pretty cheap compared to a lot of other programs out there, coming in at $49 a month, but your first paid month is discounted to $19, which is a big plus to me. They really want you to come in and try this thing out. The affiliate program is pretty decent, especially when you upgrade. Again, the direct access to different affiliate networks through Wealthy Affiliate. That way you don't have to sit there and have a bunch of tabs open and be going back and forth between different websites. And the fact that you can actually get your website up and running within a day. Now, some of the cons that I find about Wealthy Affiliate. There's tons of training. And I mean, there's a lot of training between the training courses, the live interactive classes, and the live streams. it can be a bit overwhelming. And something else about the training is that a lot of the training is outdated, which means you'll be relying more on the interactive classes and the weekly live streams to get any updated information you need about running your website. And one thing that I personally don't like is that the community access is completely locked behind a paywall, because again, in order to get the community features, you do have to be a part of the premium tier. So, my final thoughts on this. Wealthy Affiliate is a legit program. It's way different than what I thought it was initially a few years back. They definitely provide a ton of value, even as a free user, and that's a big bonus. They're giving you tons and tons of value. If you're serious about building an online business, then you definitely want to check this one out, especially because you can get started for free. You can get up and running for free. So honestly, I don't think you have anything to lose here. Especially seeing as how you can get your website running in 1 to 2 days and still have 5 days left of the premium features to really see if this system is right for you. I want to mention this one more time. You can start off with Wealthy Affiliates absolutely free. And when you're ready to upgrade, your first month will be $19. And after that, it'll be $50, which is a bargain, if you ask me, compared to a lot of the other programs out here, which are charging you $1,000. All right, guys, so that's my review of Wealthy Affiliates. If you're trying to start a business again in 2020, I would definitely check these guys out first and see if they can help you grow a successful business. All right, guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you found this content useful, please hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think might find this information useful. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.